I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for nonprofits, step by step. First, you'll want to set up your chart of accounts to properly track both restricted and unrestricted funds. Next, customize your income and expense categories to ensure clear financial reporting. Finally, enable class tracking. This allows you to monitor different programs or grants effectively, providing a detailed overview of your organization's financial health from the start. Once your setup is complete, focus on managing incoming funds. Record all donor contributions accurately, using either sales receipts or invoices within QuickBooks. For grants, create specific customer jobs for each one. This helps track funding sources and their associated expenses. You can also generate professional donor acknowledgement letters directly from the software, streamlining your communication and compliance efforts. Effective expense management is crucial for any nonprofit. Categorize all your expenses correctly, ensuring they align with your budget and specific programs. Regularly reconcile your bank accounts to maintain financial accuracy and catch any discrepancies early. Finally, run essential reports such as the Statement of Financial Position and the Statement of Activities. These provide vital insights into your organization's financial health and performance. To ensure long-term sustainability, develop a comprehensive annual budget within QuickBooks. This guides your nonprofit's financial decisions and helps monitor spending. For staffing, utilize QuickBooks Payroll for efficient employee and contractor payments, simplifying tax filings like Form 1099. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo.Smart speaker and other great deals. These tools help manage your finances and enhance your daily life, making your nonprofit operations smoother and more effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.